Hey, white tea. Tune up this guitar a bit. Play some tunes. Damn, my fucking stream restarted again. I'm so sick and tired of this shit, man. Whatever. Whatever. That's life, I guess. I haven't figured out how to do... There's like a whole thing that nobody tells you about when it comes to fucking IRL. And like in order to avoid constantly disconnecting, I have to connect my stream. Like I have to stream on OBS. And somehow, like, but it's like a complicated thing. It's super fucking insane. But I'm trying to figure it out. So sorry that that keeps happening. But unfortunately, there's little that I can do on my end to fucking avoid it. Apparently disconnecting and connecting to Wi-Fi fucking triggers it, which sucks. Because I feel as if that is something that I'll have to do. But whatever. Alright. I'm gonna tune my guitar and just play a tune for my cat. She loves music. She is my biggest music fan here. My biggest fan. Damn, it really sucks that my stream split up again. I'm probably just gonna have to end it soon. Alright, we're gonna do Betty by Taylor Swift. It's gonna be very quiet because I get shy when I'm home. That's just, it's tradition. It's just tradition. Okay. This is your favorite song from Folklore? Oh my god, you have a favorite song from Folklore, Koki? Are you a folklore girl or an evermore girly? Oh my god. I'm amazed you know it. Yeah. I'm gonna do a proper music stream while I'm here. I just can't do it at home. I've never been able to do it at home. So I'm just gonna play for you guys what I know. What the fuck? Hold on, chat, learning. We could do jazz. I'm always happy to do jazz. Do you see the cat approval though? That's what this is all about. She loves this. What'd you say? I'm gonna pull it up. I can't read. It's loading. It's loading. This is Pearl, yeah. The one August and Switch Places. Those are my favorite songs on Folklore too. Yeah. Really? You're learning to be a folklore girl despite being a boy. I probably should have asked instead. I was like, are you a folklore girly or an everboy? My bad. It's just, I'm so used to saying that terminology. Lol. Oh my god, sorry. I could do the one though. Damn, I want to sing, but I'm too shy always to sing at home. I can never do it. Nothing will make me do it. She's purring. I love you. She loves it. She's getting up and moving. I'm doing good, I'm on some new shit. Been saying yes instead of no. I thought I saw you at the bus stop, I didn't though. I hit the ground running each night. I hit the Sunday matinee. You know the greatest films of all time were never made. I guess you never know, never know. And if you wanted me, you really should have showed. And if you never bleed, you're never gonna grow. And it's all right now. I fucked up. That's funny. Why'd you move, Pearl? We're supposed like, that's the whole reason we're doing this, is for your reaction. Just come a little closer. Right here. No, right here. No. She's gonna leave. Come here. Just get a little closer. That's all. Oh, she's pissed. I pissed her off. Come on. Come here. Right here to be perfect. There you go. Okay. Jazz time. Song I ever learned. Wait, what? Oh my god. So much shit. None of this is working right now. I keep fucking up, man. I just can't. This is good time chat, but I gotta go finish cooking some shit. I have responsibilities. I've tried my best. Something about being at home makes me a really bad streamer. Like, really bad. I don't know. I think I need to, like, today I'm gonna, like, try to, like, hang out with myself a little bit, chat in my room, because it's just, life is different, man. You know, a lot has changed for me in the past year. I'll be streaming tomorrow for sure. I'm trying to stream every day, at least like for a little bit. So I'll be streaming tomorrow for sure with Eva. Oh fuck, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I'll try to stream in the morning. I'm Central Time right now, so like let's aim for 10 a.m. Central. I think we can make that. Oh, that might be too early. Chat. It might be a nighttime stream, but I'm streaming tomorrow for sure, just for a little bit. God, I hope so. If not, the day after that for sure. And the day, actually on Saturday, on Friday or Saturday, I think Friday, I'm doing a cooking stream with Eva, and we're gonna learn some dances, some K-pop dances on stream, which will be really, really fun. Thank you for being here, Koki, our folklore girly, who's not a girl. Shout out to you. Thank you to May again for the 10 gifty subbies. My sub Sammies. God, I feel ridiculous right now. Better stream coming up. I'm doing a music stream, I think, for my next stream. That's not... Wait, I don't know, man. I'm doing a music stream, eventually. A good one. Carry that title with pride. Yes, beautiful. And it would have been fun if he would have been the one. Okay. Chat, this was so bad. But thank you for being here. We're getting there. It's getting better. Oh, Tomei. What's going on here? Thank you, Tomei, for another 10 gifted subs. Oh, thank you, Tomei. We appreciate that. I appreciate that. For the juggling earlier. Okay, that's right. I'm gonna do some off-camera mining with the juggling. Oh, let's turn on the salt lamp together, chat. Wow. Alright. Oh god. I like really fucked up the lighting. No, I made it look so much better. I would love to do a bedroom from a stream from my okay. I gotta go, chat. I'm being too weird. I can't do it. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. But if not, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all have a very happy, very thankful day of giving. Eat good, eat a lot. I'm gonna eat fucking a lot. Alright.